In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ChatGPT on Windows 11 in a super quick and easy way. Now, just to be clear, this is not a traditional software installation, like downloading a big program from the Microsoft Store. What we're really doing is creating a fast shortcut so you can open ChatGPT anytime right from your taskbar, which makes it feel a lot more like an installed app and saves you time every single day. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 tips and software guides. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you already have installed on your Windows 11 PC. Once your browser is open, go to ChatGPT by typing chatgpt.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you to the official ChatGPT website where you can sign in or create an account if needed. After the ChatGPT page loads, look to the top right corner of your browser. You should see the three dots menu in the browser. Click on those three dots to open the browser options. From the menu that appears, click More. Depending on your browser, this may appear as More Tools or a similar option. Once you open that section, look for the option that says Pin to Taskbar. Click Pin to Taskbar and your browser will create a shortcut for ChatGPT on your Windows 11 taskbar. This means you can launch ChatGPT much faster without having to type the web address every time. If Windows asks you to confirm the action, just approve it and let it finish. After that, go down to your taskbar and you should see the new ChatGPT shortcut ready to use. Click it once to make sure it opens properly. And that's it. ChatGPT is now pinned to your taskbar on Windows 11 for easy access anytime. This is a simple but very effective way to make your workflow faster, especially if you use ChatGPT often for writing, research, ideas, or productivity. If this guide helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials, tech tips, and step-by-step how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.